Then if you have a website, you can create an embedded form, subscriber pop-up, and form integration. Let's go to form builder. Okay, sign on forms. So these are going to look like. You can add something here. Sign up for updated news. Then it should be email address field. Then you have email, first name and last name. If you don't want any of this field, you can just click on them. As you can see this plus and minus. You can just delete it. You can delete it, but it's not visible anyway. You can see it is hidden here. But if you want to remove it, you can remove it here. Just type in delete. So type it exactly like that. Then it's gone. If you want this phone number to be visible, just check it and click visible. If you want to remove this birthday, and just type in delete. Okay, click save. Want to design it, like changing the background color and all that, but I don't think those ones are really necessary. But if you need the design, you can just play around with it. The header, how do you want this, the header? How do you want it to be? Do you want it to be more bigger? You want that margin, the height, the font, then the wrapping. You can just design it, the body, the color and everything. Just customize it the way you want. Okay, then this is our URL that we can post to maybe a Facebook or Twitter or our YouTube channel. So let's go there and see how it looks. So if you want to click that link, this is what will come up for them. Then the person can just input their email, the first name, the last name, and their phone number. And when you click subscribe, the email is going to be in your MailChimp account. It's going to be there. Okay, let's just close that. Okay, I think that's that for setting up forms. You can also set it up under audience feed and merge tags. Okay, you can add a field